Price of Dogecoin, Doge, has experienced a decline of 25% within a span of 3 days. This significant decrease raises the question of whether a trend reversal is imminent. In summary, the price of Dogecoin, Doge, experienced a decline in the previous week, so negating a prior breakthrough from a descending resistance line that had persisted over an extended period of time. This indicates a downward tendency in the market. The Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Doge indicates a bearish reading, so validating the inauthenticity of the breakout and affirming the downward trajectory of the trend. The trajectory of the Dogecoin price in the future will be contingent upon its ability to breach the $0.060 threshold or surpass the resistance line. The price of Doge had a substantial decrease during the previous week, thereby negating a prior breakthrough from a descending resistance line that had persisted over a lengthy period of time. The nullification of the breakout exhibits a robust negative indication that has the potential to precipitate a subsequent descent. It is crucial for the Doge price to maintain a value above $0.060 in order to sustain the potential for a rebound. The price of Dogecoin experiences a decline, rendering the breakout invalid. According to the technical analysis conducted on a weekly time frame, it is observed that the meme coin has experienced a decline below a declining resistance line since May 2021, subsequent to reaching its peak price of $0.739. In June 2022, the value of Doge had a decline, reaching a minimum of $0.049, followed by a subsequent recovery indicated by a positive market movement. The rebound confirmed the $0.060 region as a level of support. In July 2023, the price of Doge appeared to have surpassed the line after multiple futile endeavors. Nevertheless, it was unable to maintain the occurrence of the breakout. Instead of experiencing an upward trajectory, Dogecoin had a decline below the established threshold last week and reverted back to the support level of $0.060. Excluding the unsuccessful breakout attempt, the resistance line has remained intact for a duration of 833 days. Tragic news emerged yesterday as the renowned Dogecoin mascot, Baltza, succumbed to leukemia following a protracted struggle. The subsequent nearest level of resistance is observed at a value of $0.150, indicating a substantial surge of 140% relative to the prevailing market price. To attain a millionaire status under the hypothetical scenario of the price of Doge tokens reaching its historical peak, an individual would need to possess 1,357,129 Doge tokens. The Weekly Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicates a bearish signal. Traders employ the Relative Strength Index, RSI, as a momentum indicator during the assessment of market conditions. Its purpose is to ascertain whether a market is overbought or oversold, aiding in the decision-making process of whether to accumulate or sell an asset. In the event that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, reading exceeds 50 and exhibits an upward trend, it may be inferred that the bulls maintain a favorable position. Conversely, if the RSI reading falls below 50, the opposite holds true. During the period of the breakout, shown by the red circle, the indicator momentarily above the threshold of 50, but it has since declined and is currently positioned below the aforementioned threshold. The observed phenomenon indicates a bearish trend and provides evidence that the breakout was not valid. Price prediction for Doge: can bullish pattern reverse the current trend? In a manner akin to the weekly timeframe, the daily timeframe presents a pessimistic projection for prices. The primary reason for Doge's decline can be attributed to its breach of an ascending parallel channel on August 15, as indicated by the red indicator. The analysis indicated that the prior upward trend was a correction phase, and a subsequent downward trajectory had commenced. The decline in value was rapid, with Doge experiencing a 25% decrease within a span of just 3 days. The current trading price of Doge is situated above the horizontal support level of $0.060. There is a potential occurrence of a double bottom pattern in relation to the price observed in June. Although this pattern is commonly regarded as indicative of a positive market trend, there are no other discernible signals of a bullish turnaround. Although there is an upward trend in the Relative Strength Index, RSI, its value remains below 50, suggesting an indeterminate direction. Hence, the forthcoming forecast of Doge's price will ascertain if Dogecoin will experience a decline below $0.060 or beyond the resistance line. If a breakout occurs, it is anticipated that there would be a 140% rise towards the subsequent resistance level of 15 cents. Conversely, a potential decline may result in a significant decrease of 42%, ultimately reaching a value of $0.036. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC falls to support level of $26,000, by the dip? In the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, the price of Bitcoin is currently around $26,051. On Tuesday, it went down by 0.25%. Even though the way the market works is still changing, recent events and factors have caught the attention of both buyers and fans. Legalizing U.S. penalties against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform is a big deal. This is a big deal in terms of regulatory measures. Also, Craig Wright's claims that there are billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin have been met with skepticism and rejection by the group of people who work on Bitcoin. In the middle of all of this, the growing popularity of ordinary transactions is making NFT supporters question the supposed fall of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price change is being looked at in the context of this complex mix of factors, which raises the question of whether the current drop is a good time to make smart purchases. Sanctions against the Tornado Cash cryptocurrency platform are approved by a U.S. judge. The BTC/USD exchange rate is going down because a federal judge backed U.S. penalties against Tornado Cash, a decentralized cryptocurrency platform. The U.S. Treasury Department put sanctions in place last year because of allegations of money laundering and helping harmful cyber activities. This made people even more worried about the effects of regulation on the crypto industry. Also, the fact that Coinbase is paying for the case shows how hard it is to find a balance between privacy and following the rules when it comes to cryptocurrencies. As traders think about the bigger effects of more government involvement, the market's reaction shows a cautious attitude. The fall of BTC/USD is in line with wider worries in the decentralized finance sector and shows the ongoing tension between crypto innovation and regulatory oversight. How much will Bitcoin cost? Since Bitcoin's price fell below $29,000 on August 6, there has been a lot going on in its technology world. The price of the coin has gone down a lot, and it is now worth about $25,800. The 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, which is around $27,300, has had a big effect on Bitcoin's path, as recent candle closes confirm a continuing downward trend. At $26,200, there is immediate pushback. But a bearish and